Why?
Ready? Wait, do you know what this is?
Shush, shush. You are terrible at giving away stuff. Max, open.
Oh, no! No! Mom, come here. Oh, my God. Are these laptops? What do you think? So those are laptop cases. Wait, Mom! You got those and they weren't supposed to work! Yeah, those weren't supposed to work. Those are tricks. That's a trick, Mom. And those are laptop cases. Mom! I got a laptop and a camera for Christmas. Jack,
Oh, awesome.
she tricked us. Those tablets weren't supposed to work. She just wrapped them. And then these are laptop cases.
So mean. She's so mean. I can't believe it.
Here you go.
I just-
They weren't supposed to
I got
work.
a camera and a laptop.
Are you excited?
Thank you. I need a knife. Go
Are you
get this.
excited?
Yes, I'll be right
Mom,
back.
why?
Bring it in.
Bring it in.
I already got my hug.
You guys made a mess.
We don't care now. Can you? That's gonna ruin our joy.
It's gonna ruin your joy. But your mess is gonna ruin your joy. Are you excited? You have a laptop.
No, and a camera. I have a laptop and a camera.
And a laptop case and headphones.
Oh, can I borrow?